Guys, this is a LG microwave. Now we are going to test the Pratt motor. Now see, I open here, I take screws out, then I'm going to test this motor and plug inside it. Then I'm going to put the wire and plug as well, and then I'm going to put the wire. There is a wire. I'm going to put these two wires. So then after I'm going to check if motor is rotating correctly. I'm going to provide yes, and then we're going to check if it is rotating right. It is good. Motor is rotating correctly. It means that when the microwave is operating, the plate is going to rotate. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you.